Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most popular ingredients in skincare today, hyaluronic acid. You may have seen this ingredient in a lot of skincare products and wondered what it actually does for your skin. So, in this video, we are going to dive deep into what hyaluronic acid is, how it works, and the benefits it provides for your skin. What is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule that is found in our skin, connective tissues, and eyes. It is a humectant, which means it helps to retain water and moisture in the skin. It is a popular ingredient in skincare because of its ability to hydrate the skin and provide a plump, youthful appearance. How hyaluronic acid works? Hyaluronic acid works by binding to water molecules and holding onto them, which helps to increase the skin's hydration levels. As we age, our skin loses its ability to retain moisture, which can lead to dryness, wrinkles, and fine lines. Hyaluronic acid helps to counteract these effects by boosting the skin's moisture levels, making it appear plump and smooth. Benefits of hyaluronic acid. Hydrates the skin. As mentioned earlier, hyaluronic acid helps to bind water molecules to the skin, which makes it a great ingredient for hydrating dry and dehydrated skin. Reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. By increasing the skin's moisture levels, hyaluronic acid helps to plump up the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Improves skin elasticity. Hyaluronic acid helps to maintain the skin's elasticity, which can lead to a more youthful appearance. Soothes the skin. Hyaluronic acid has anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a great ingredient for soothing and calming irritated skin. Compatible with all skin types, hyaluronic acid is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. How to use hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid can be found in a variety of skincare products, including serums, moisturizers, and masks. It is important to apply hyaluronic acid on damp skin, as this will help to lock in moisture. After cleansing and toning, apply a few drops of hyaluronic acid serum to your face and neck, and then follow up with a moisturizer to seal in the hydration. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.